Hello you all, welcome and welcome back to another video. You are watching Craft a Lot TV with Keisha. Thank you all for clicking on the video. If you're new here, welcome. If you're a returning viewer, welcome back. Okay, so in today's video I'm going to be customizing this bag to use inside of my dupe Bogg bag. Okay, so this here is a wet dry bag. It's a pretty large bag. Here's my hand, so you can see, just get an idea how big it is. This was $3. You just wipe it clean. It is plastic. Okay, I got this from Walmart. If you've noticed, if you shop at Walmart, they do have like kind of sort of like a dollar section at the front of the store now, similar to what Target has. So that is where I got this bag. Okay, so I figured this will be nice to kind of keep things organized in my little bag here. Okay, so what I'm going to do is customize this just to use inside of my bag. Okay, I'm going to be putting this here, these patches on there. So these are iron-on patches, but I did tell you all that this is plastic. So of course we're not going to be able to iron them on, or it's going to melt the plastic. Okay, so I got these iron-on patches. I got this from Hobby Lobby. Okay, and it just says stuff. Okay, now if you're looking for this and you want to go to Hobby Lobby and get this, make sure you pay attention to all the packs when you see them, because this here pack I got in, which section did I get this in? I got this one in a section where they sell patches. Okay, but they also have these in the section where they have like paper crafts and stuff like that, and they had a different price on them. They was like $8.49. This one was $5.49. Same exact patches. And you'll notice that a lot with Hobby Lobby stuff nowadays anyway, because they're changing the prices on their stuff. But yeah, so I got this in the area again, like I said, where they have the patches and stuff that goes on shirts, and it was $5.49. Again, they had more in another area of the store where they had like the paper craft stuff. It was $8.49. Again, like I said, same exact iron-on patches. So we are going to put these on this bag. Like I said, I'm not going to be able to iron it on, but when I seen these, I remember I had this bag, and I said maybe that'll look cute on the front of there. Okay, so we're gonna put these on here. Hopefully I can get them straight. I'm going to use the lines as my guide. Okay, so this gonna be real easy. Okay, I'm gonna use my handy dandy hot glue gun to get more like a quick hold, and then I'm going to use some of my E6000 for like a more permanent hold. Okay, so I'm going to use two different glues. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead, and hopefully this hot glue don't melt the bag. I don't think it will, but yeah, my hot glue gun gets really hot. Have to be careful, because sometimes I end up burning myself using that thing. That hot glue gun is a Ryobi. I got it from Home Depot. It does not come with the battery, but my husband has a lot of Ryobi too, so we already had batteries. Those Ryobi batteries are very expensive. I want to say they like $100 each. So I'm just gonna put this here. Like I said, I used some hot glue just for a more immediate hold. Okay, so I'm gonna do the same process for each of our letters. Hopefully I am still in view so you all can see me. I believe you are. So we're gonna do the same process for each letter. Okay, now I wish I could iron it on, but that's not possible. So this is what we're gonna do. Okay, so I'm just gonna put a few dabs of the hot glue, come in with some of my E6000, which this will dry, and this will give it a more permanent hold. I'm not using too much because I don't want it to ooze out the sides. Okay, now Just gonna drop that down. I did get it off on the side right here, but it's okay. All right, so that is pretty much all I am doing. Okay, and like I said, same process for all the letters. And then I just plugged this up, so it's hot, but I don't know, it's coming out slow for some reason. It may have a cloud, but we're gonna get it done. I got 2 of these bags. They're really nice. The Walmart dollar spot be having some nice stuff in that little area. Okay, and just like that, I'm almost done with this. Like I said, I just felt like this would be really cute. All right, let's see. Let's do this F right here, and then I should have paid attention to that first. Use the darker one and then this lighter one. So I'm gonna adhere this one, then I'll go back and put the other one. I think I like them better in that position. So I just put this here as a marker. I'll put this one. It's kind of hard to flip it and not burn yourself, but you could do it. Okay, so there's that one. Now we're gonna do this one. All right, and that is it. We have our cute little bag that we can use to keep our stuff organized. As you can see, this is off, but it's okay. We can use to keep our stuff organized inside of our bag. Now I just want to open, let me just go ahead and pull this off. I just want to open it up just to, I can still feel my hot glue is warm though on this end where we just finished up. I just wanted to feel to make sure my hot glue didn't melt through the bag, and it didn't. And like I said, that E6000 is going to give me a more permanent hold once it dries. But that is it for this video, you all. Tell me what you guys think. Hopefully you guys like this video. I will be doing a whole lot more videos. If y'all have any video requests, drop them down below. And that is pretty much it. Like I said, I just wanted to customize this bag to use inside of this bag here, which is my work bag. And I'll be going to get another one of these, a bigger one. But yeah, I'll use that to kind of keep things organized in my bag. I just wanted to create some cute little accessories to use with my bag. So like I said, I got this here wet bag from Walmart, and these here patches I got from Hobby Lobby. Okay, I'm just gonna put a little bit more glue on here, so I see that's trying to lift up. All right, so we're gonna put this to the side, let it dry. Hopefully this hold up over time. Again, the E6000, if you used it, you know it's pretty good. So that is pretty much it. Hopefully you guys like this video. If you're not subscribed to the channel, please consider subscribing to the channel. Make sure you hit that notification bell so you're notified anytime I upload any content. Thumbs up this video if you like the video. Again, like I said, if you have any questions, comment down below. And that is it for this video, you guys. Until next time, bye.